asem we abako. If you Tracy Boakye na onenam ho na ona ho fin se eye otwe bi odadu kurum no. Se oyo obi a o respect wo na o respect wo man a wawo mo na opesa integrity no abontene ma nipa hu so bu hu so we sex machine, we a sex toy, we are just a piece of trash somebody picked that. You would have come out now to say who the papa no is. But because you are foolish, why who say what done eye dineko what done who force atare inti every day no it's all about munya me dross na mu use me na me drop me. If you really want integrity, say if it wasn't something you planned to just destroy John Mahama ne omomona, you would have mentioned the man's name. Say nipa na onene ko wo ye no, say nipa na ni papa onim nyansa ono so beka se bomidin. Now because jantra na mobo no, enti de bia no, you use this your foolish things. I have 1 million, who has 1 million? Oh, 1 million na ho efia. Who cares? Oh, 1 million na ho nte na say, wow body na go de ho nte ya. Who cares? The issue is, if you want people like us to respect you, you are not old. Jantra na kobo na onya wo, na onya iska wo. Mention the person who had the baby with you. Next guy said Jimmy no, they be able to TV so and papa no and dian. Nobody cares about your papa no. Say nipa no what say? Or nipa onim nyansa. So nipa opesa Ghana for ejiri tum say oni nipa na we na nya aboa. Body dey. You are always trying to play politics with this nonsense to be relevant. Which part of your body is relevant now? Which part of you? You are not intelligent enough to know, say, I have caused a lot of damage and people use this to destroy people. Why don't I come out and finalize this? Kwasiato usoria, Jantra na auditor profile through Jantra more 1 million. What is $1 million? And I'm also so Jimmy Sam says so Ghana so sana sa dear way in Ghana and 9 left to be Edin Kwasiasam and I'm a tekamu brabe hesika. Sa pese me say your bua body paro no wuniding. And some funa Ghana so kwasiasam to say Then the piano instead of say the youth want to think, they want to concentrate no na appear wala for way appear wala ne 18 inches ne no 33 inches ne 2 inches appear wala for way and I'm gonna disturb nipa. We are at a crossroad. We are somewhere where we need real people to start thinking. It is because of you why we are here today. Kwasia anka emprana okochi no nipa no twemprano or legitimate nyansania ana mboni din. Oba bi okochi mpre bia obu be ma on ne kodae no se enye jantra na okobo ya na se nyinsen be ma obodi din boni din ena budi jimina sa bloggers we so sa apye wala we so. I decided to stay away because I thought that the girl needed a chance to explain herself. We should not be hard on her. Or a young lady, be a mistake no and no be wo. But consistently you have shown us away Jimmy because you always want people to see you relevant, but you are not. The reason why I'm speaking on this today is you have started the area of foolishness. Unkwana no obi kuna ko. Unkwana ne no wa ya to da ma. Unkwa. O use nipa no we ne kan ko be de o ya ma. Munja Jimmy no. Ye ni abre pese agikro e na pie wala fo na mo disturb nipa. What you kind and I'm 1 million and at the end get still you who your house girl. But nipa ni din na fi yankwa nim. But also your relevantity because when you say the MPP for the they will pick you and make you relevant. Canada Japan ko jina ka won kwasa ye nyina tena ha defend you. Because I felt to say you a lady. It doesn't matter your relationship, it shouldn't be part of politics. We sat here, we said, hey, you people stop this. But sana ya debia wo apie wala ba we why I won't say eno na obeye. You get it? We don't care about whatever you have made in your life. It is your own work. Hey, masa, ye brimu mu, ye tata mu, ye de pregu wo mu, ye do 10. I don't care. That is your business. That is your profession. That is what you have trained. Also, but don't do this. Don't try and use this your foolish papano to just distract people. A man for about jantra the $100 billion house. I a ding. Oti Ghana na debia papano and now they appear wala unentri nka form debia wesi peg chu huna ni pambo ne bra na ni panko anim ye ni abio munja isa Jimmy no mu tan peniso na blogger say Jimmy for bi di mochi say wo say wo pese ajiw tum say wo a legitimate woman o integrity bi who some nyanse bia de bo bra o person nipa respect whom ni anka so hu bon dia bo nipa no wudin nipa de bo no me ya friend Kelvin Taylor inti ha no te inti ma obi anfa na afi hu say you are a responsible young girl but you are still open up your whole system like a highway because you still need nkwasiafo to come and just destroy the machine and give you some piece of trash. Massa, if you people don't stop this nonsense, because we did everything possible. You these house helps. Me 1 million, me 3 million out of this. Still, you look like a house girl. Massa, stop this foolish papa no nonsense. We don't need man in the way. But the ding with Jimmy now with the Tigana na. Ya so some swan and kwasiade appear wala for. They be am humbon die. Idea so na mu use idea hina mu tu kwan. Still, who's ask my house girls. Stop this foolishness. When you need first now ya korada na ya at least when you funu bia beka ho kasa nyansem be ma we na me no wo ye I want to settle down. I don't want these things. Debiano, you feel happy when you are using papano and that will make your kids look important. And do you know what you are creating for those kids? And korana omu di we chino omu ni papa. Basically, you're a bastard until you mention the man you had a kid with. Me, I don't care whether you respond or not. I don't care.